in the life out here on the range. Y'all city niggas come get you some. This is what we do. Bring them on.
I'm out here with General Abner. This King of Beard. We out here herding these sheep. We for the worm them. See, sometimes the lost sheep be niggas. You know what I'm saying? But ye are not niggas. So we got to worm them. We got to worm these sheep back. Cause they full of parasites. They think they niggas. I hope y'all can read between the lines now. I'm using parables. You heard me? Metaphors. I hope y'all can hear what I'm saying. We out here getting it in. So this what we doing. We getting y'all niggas and turning y'all back into Yahweh. You feel me? We gotta worm y'all, man. We gotta put parasites. Get these parasites out you. You hear me? So you might hear us saying nigga and all that there because you in your ignorant state right now. You follow me? So when you be reading in the Bible, when they talking about livestock and all that, they talking about people, man. Hope y'all understand, man. They talking about people. Hold on now, you gotta fight with them niggas too now. You gotta fight with them. But when they get too much parasite in them, when they get too much parasites in them, you hear me? They can't move too much. They go to dying. Cause them people don't poison them. They don't poison our people, man. You feel me? To where they can't be their original form. But praise Yahweh though, you know. We out here getting it in, enjoying it though. We enjoying herding the sheep, the lost sheep, you heard me? You know what I mean? Which one? Which one, cuz? Good God, my cuz. Too many of these niggas in here. Too many of these niggas in here, man. I'ma get with y'all though. Praise Yahweh though, man. We just getting it in out here, man. Y'all see us. We just getting it in. This is what we do. Do what we do. We from the hood. We from all that there. But we had to get back to our inheritance. You heard me? We ain't gonna be trapped in that box no more. Done with that. We done with that box. You heard me? It's getting money on a whole other level, man. You ain't got to show that money, man. That's nothing. That's nothing, man. The earth. The earth is the money. Hold on. Uh-oh. What that nigga done did to you? I gotta cut my cuz on hurt himself. That done hurt this nigga. Hold on. You gonna try it? Keep it real now. Keep it real. I've been over there, man. That was free down there. Hey, mama.
You better not. You better slap your daddy.
This something been feeling most of fertilizer.
Keep it real. I'm just saying, keep it real.
This is the best watermelon I've seen. Let me see.
Let me see.
For real.
You go down there with them, I don't.
Guess how old he is? 2. My cookies. So yeah. Look at the roof. Look at the roof. Oh. No way. Say I can. Oh my goodness.
Praise Yahweh.
Praise Yahweh. Coffees. 2, wait, 3 left. 3 rows left.
He was 90-something years old. He was Sicilian.